Good morning from the canvas tent. Merry Christmas. We're supposed to have 18 to 25 mile per hour winds all day long. So it is going to be a noisy, crazy day. As you guys know, every time we have inclement weather, I do demonstrate how the tent handles it. This tent has seen up to 60 mile per hour gust and handled it just fine. While it can get a little bit annoying listening to the canvas flap in the steel frame creak, it is completely safe and we never have any concerns. So all of this wind this morning is pushing in some rain. So I am going to have some more weather videos for you guys coming up, and I will see you soon.